Norman!
Yeah.
What's going on?
Not much.
I heard a rumor,
and
we need to have a bit of an intervention or something here, that this Corvette here got beat by the Little Redneck Express pulling a trailer. What do you have to say for yourself?
Well, here we go, let's get those wheels out on the road. It may get dusty, but that's the way she goes. We'll build some greasy old cars and drink our AGD. Hey, don't you know, it's partly built.
Well, it was kind of unfair.
How so?
Well, we were lined up at the light, and I revved my engine up a couple times, you know, boom, boom, and so he drops his clutch and takes off squealing. And I thought, you know, I kind of need a driver's license for work, so I just kind of backed off a little, and wow, he was gone.
Sounds like an excuse.
He was gone.
Yeah. All right, guys, it is officially the last day of Miles of Mayhem. So people are starting to filter out of the hotel to their cars. I'm just going to do a little bit of checking around the truck here. I got my part of the campsite packed up. Get a real good look at how beautifully we repaired the mild damage. You know, mild, of course. The headlights, they were usable last night on high beam. Low beam really was terrible. But I mean, what do you expect? So, I think in about 20 minutes here, I'm going to get Sleeping Beauty up. And I think we're going to head to the track. Alright, all ready to go. Just got a tech. And when the track opens, we can make a few hits. You excited, Steven? I also have a mint Chrysler 300 radiator if anyone needs one. It's clearly worth about $900. I know what I got, no low ballers. I don't think anybody went into my cooler and stole my water yet. Alright, going down to the staging lane. Steven's sitting there waiting. Well, Steven, 2 years in a row, you have survived the Miles of Mayhem, brother.
Man. And I'm still 906, so it's not like I'm going too much, but I want to get that 867.
Well, I got the computer on charge, so we should be able to turn you two-step down, so let's get her done. There it is! I was giving him a hard time. I told him I wanted a John Force burnout.
It's a couple 100 feet shy.
Yeah.
Chevy Coupe, Steve Dahl, 81 Dodge 150. 899 for Steve.
Pretty even off the line. We're just gonna scale them and see what they weigh. Good. 39.18. Got the Dog Johnson and the wheel cocks. Everybody has wheel chocks. You got wheel cocks.
It's all about safety.
That's right. Got a little grudge match happening. See if Norm can outrun the old Ferd. Two-step it. Two-step it.
Just want to say, ciao.
I wouldn't stand behind it, Stephen. There's still some tire left. What the hell? Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna need a shovel.
He's just power shifting that thing like an old pro.